What? What? What?
Oh, wait.
Yes, sir!
This morning I brushed my teeth, I grabbed my Glock off the hotel stand. Shot my mama a text, thanks for making me a man. I stopped by dealers, grab a pack of polo t-shirts. They was slim fit.
What's good, y'all? What's good? Good morning. Got a little beach day vlog. We about to go tee up for my girl GMALLZ. We love you, Miles. We love you, Miles. Hey, we up for my girl GMALLZ today. We up for my girl GMALLZ today.
You're tardy. And you have the audacity.
Say we up for GMALLZ.
We up for GMALLZ.
Nah, for real, nah, for real.
Look at the time, Michael. You live 10 minutes away.
It's good. What's up, bro?
Come on now.
What you mean, come on now? We up for GMALLZ today. I don't... Oh.
Hey, you know what it is? Whoa, slow down.
Nah, whoa.
You know what I'm saying? It's Mike. Oh, I messed up. I'm saying it's top Oxford, whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean?
It's the top, the top is the biggest. Nobody bigger. Nobody bigger.
Anyways, hey vlog. Y'all see it, it's Benny. And we're with Mike. What's your thing called? LAF.
LAF Mikey.
And we're going to the beach, y'all, so stay tuned.
We going to the beach. We going to the beach. I'm late though, I'm not gonna lie.
Cut your fucking grass.
It was good.
Oh my God, who's in class? What?
What?
Life, hello.
It's 10:31.
What time was you supposed to leave?
We're supposed to be on the road right now.
Where was you at? We came at the same time.
I've been here. It's 10:30. I went to my car. That was not my man. He's late. 10:31.
We're supposed to leave at 10:30. I'm here at 10:30.
Oh my God, I'm not.
Hey, what you drinking on, Ernest? What you drinking on?
Wait till I do my face.
You still have to do your face? Yeah. Oh. Okay.
This is not my house.
Oh, we got GMALLZ. Hey,
Welcome back.
it's gonna be a good day, bro. It's really gonna be a good day. Good people.
Good day, good vibes.
Good sun. No smoke outside.
Sorry, I'm gonna remember what
We're on the bridge.
You already here already? Just flip the thing so you can see.
I don't want to.
Like 30 away. Just close it, like
Girl, what?
Close the camera so you can see it.
It's okay, it's showing. I don't want to ruin it.
Bro, just put it back.
Oh. Interesting.
This looks like we're in the sky.
Does your camera take good pictures?
I don't know. I didn't take a picture of the camera, but I can though.
What is wrong with this boy?
Ooh. That's.
Nah, we're in the sky right now, bro. That's crazy.
Bro, you're making me scared.
I see your message, bro.
So y'all, we're on the way to the beach, on the bridge.
It's like a big roller coaster.
Bro, Mike, please. Are you scared?
Can we get off this bridge?
I'm kind of getting a little nervous. Yeah, this is my first time on this bridge.
If you be sailing in this water, can we just?
I've been looking at it the whole time. This is very crazy.
I like looking down when I'm not driving. When I'm driving, I feel like I could just like swerve.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Come on, you gotta keep composure. You probably would.
That's like
Girl, you have a request. Wait! Laura, I don't want to hear anything.
You gotta keep it together.
I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know what people.
Nah, this road is very fictional though. Why is it one road going like this and then three going?
That's an apocalypse. We're trying to get out. Maybe you got.
Well, there's apocalypse. We on this bridge. Just clip for us. At least it'd be like an instant.
I don't like this. Can we hurry up?
Anyway, you know what I mean? Let's change the topic. What type of topic is this? So yeah, we just got to the beach and shit. Just got to the beach. Better have a good time, man. It's feeling good out here. Good people. Birthday girl. Birthday girl right there. You gonna have some fun. Oh, see, what you getting into today, see? What you getting into today?
I'm trying to build a Taj Mahal, you hear me?
You know me.
I'm on a mission. I'll make no post.
We are at Guagualada Beach. Let me see.
What?
We are at Ashwagandha.
We're at Ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha.
We at Asparagus Beach.
Sagittarius.
Applesauce Beach. We're here.
Sagittarius, man.
Please. I'm doing something. Hold the camera so I can do it. Hey guys. Oh, my bonnet. That's ghetto. That's Cardi's, bro. Y'all. Ooh. Hey guys.
What do you need?
How y'all feeling?
What do you need, bro?
Big Gucci, bro.
Yep, it's me.
Ebo King.
Yeah, we know. Yes, my girl Faye, stop playing so much. She know how to get lit. What's up? 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 Y'all don't know about this girl. What is that supposed to Looks are deceiving, but don't worry. That fat ass bag, I could put you in that bag. What's going on?
Nothing much, man. You know what I'm saying?
Assalamu
We having a good day.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's going on with this girl?
Oh my gosh. Why you
Okay. I don't know anyone over there. I don't think I could ever be a vlogger. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not doing the thing. Me and my motherfucking brother, yo. Oh, I see.
Can I see? Ebo King.
No.
Ebo King.
The one and only.
I need them.
To the bathroom?
I'm about to come. I need to use it too. Real life held it for like 2 hours.
Oh my gosh, you're a strong soldier.
I'm a
That
grown man.
nap just restored me, bro. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I got a stove in your car.
What? Bro, I just cleaned my car, man.
No, you're lucky. I'm.
Okay, okay.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm vlogging it. I'm vlogging everything. I'm trying to get the hang of just vlogging.
Period.
Whip.
Hey y'all, it's your favorite Cameroonians and Liberians.
Period. 237. Okay.
You already know,
Mamenda.
man. 237, straight from Mamenda. We made it safely to the beach. Beautiful day today. Not too hot, not too cold. Feel me? They over there setting up a tent. Holy.
So what's all this for?
They setting up a tent.
When you turn it the other way, it's not like when we try to.
Yeah, it was moving and stuff.
It wasn't working.
As a man, we got the women building the tent, man.
And the men doing what? Swimming in the ocean. Now that the camera.
The men creating content.
I was just.
The men are creating content.
Hey man, you already know, man. We're at the beach with the vibes, man.
Tell them why we here. Why we here?
We here for me. Finally, we gotta go on a trip with for me. Finally. But oh yeah, turn 21 tomorrow. Today's my birthday eve, so it's up and it's stuck.
Okay, describe the fit.
It's something new, brown, match my skin complexion, skirt, top, hair.
21.
Exactly.
Nobody bigger. GMALLZ.
The biggest 21.
The biggest one.
21.
The biggest 21.
Really?
Oh.
Hey guys, what's going on? We up from a big 21, not the little one.
Big 21. Blow that on one time. Blow that on one time.
Hey guys.
The wonderful, the beautiful.
My name is
Sam.
So we're here to celebrate Malika's 21.
Oh.
I would be saying yeah.
Yeah, so they got me as Bob the Builder today. I put this little umbrella up, and then I realized I built this tent for her. Building this tent. Am I Bob the Builder? Holy.
I want to see the body. This is sexy now. You look oiled up.
We got content coming out.
Oh, can we get a sneak peek?
No.
Damn, she's trying to get
Wait, by the time I post my pictures, this video won't be us.
So what you sipping on there?
This is strawberry acai with peach juice with tequila.
Oh, tequila. That's how you feeling today on this beach? Okay, that's good. That's
Trying to
good.
be up.
I might get there too.
You need to get there.
But as a driver, actually I'll somewhere up in 5
By the
hours.
time we drive home, you should be good.
Hey, where to look at, man? Where to look at, man? Where to look at, man?
How was it? How do you feel? Is it very smooth or is it very raw?
Oh, Livy.
What is this? This is, what is it called? Oh my god, I've heard. Oh, I think Ernest gave me this. Yeah, Ernest be drinking this. What? Take another one?
Go back.
Hey!
Now spin.
Oh! Hey! My heart is jumping!
Alright.
Hey. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
That means put a lot of fun, right? That means put a lot of fun, right? Can you shut the fuck up?
Some good vibes though, man. Playing spike ball right here.
I said back to you.
Birthday girl.
Oh, yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. Oh shit.
Are you taking?
God damn it, people.
The waves getting a little, they're getting a little, really. Woo.
Oh, Cotty won! Oh, Cotty won! Wait!
What? You bitches can never dust me. Okay. Okay, man.
What?
I wasn't ready, y'all. You have to cross it out.
G-Miles, what happened, G-Miles? Shane, what happened, Shane?
My boobs started coming out.
Yes. Oh, this golden hour was amazing.
It was rigged.
It was rigged?
Yeah.
G-Miles, what are your thoughts after that race?
It was rigged.
Cause she a sore loser.
My ankle gave out in middle.
She a sore loser.
But I finished strong.
She a sore loser.
Hey, get in the bed.
I wasn't last though, so. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Damn, Shani Jal, I just won that race.
I'm not gonna lie, I slipped though. You on sand. I played basketball. They slipped. I played basketball. Sand, my nigga. I was coming, nigga. Nah, bro. How can I sit down though? I got a second. I was close. It's the grim. No, I didn't say you jumped. I said you timed it.
Shani was saying I'm not trying to race. Fuck this race shit, nigga. I'm going ahead and win.
Run it back.
Oh!
This is the end of the,
YouTuber.
vlog, y'all. So goodbye. We had a time. I went 6 hours with no data.
Yeah, like it actually forces you to.
It feels good. It felt good. It felt good.
It was great. Pictures are cute. Memories were made. It was very beautiful. And then this Goofy gonna lose his key.
Ooh, that was not me. Who was
It
it?
him, but it was. No, I was about to cry because my car keys in his car. I was like, how am I gonna get home?
Mike found his key, y'all.
Where we about to eat at?
This one.
We about to eat that peanut. Cashews?
Hey, for real?
But not airborne, but it's just like.
That shit, and grown women eat peanuts for a snack. Cashews. Real from free time for real. Cashews, groundnut. Groundnut.
From the tree.
Oh, the sunset. Dan, how was your day today?
It was very fun, bro. Like Drake said, man. I needed this.
Hey guys, it's Cairo. I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you guys for coming along with us to Mika's 21st birthday beach celebration.
Just getting started.
Oh my God. It's just
Stay
getting started.
tuned
Yeah,
for
stay tuned
tomorrow.
for tomorrow that you guys are not invited to, but stay tuned on Instagram.
Oh my God.
Bree.
We're ending the vlog.
How was your day, Bree?
It was like a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Good weather,
Good
no
weather,
phones.
good vibes. No phones, no internet, no nothing.
Some mental clarity, you feel me?
Yes, yes. I did. He said I went from Nigeria. That's all they know. Okay, Brianna, what's your son? She look a nun. Black. You wanna learn?
I'm gonna walk now.
Oh yeah, come on. Where you walking to?
Where you walking to? Where you walking to? Where you walking to? Where you walking to?
Hey, he's got the jacket.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of the fucking video. This is Bloom and Cairo signing out. Okay, Andy John signing out. The fuck.
Thank you guys for coming along with us
on our beach
and
trip.
on behalf of Malika,
Yeah.
I just want to say that love.
Work. That's a good one.
But like, I mean, Mara, you're supposed to like end it
Yeah.
off.
Oh,
Redo, bro.
cut the camera.